Warning, at the end of this video there is going to be an absolutely mental speed kinetic dance to a very popular song to find out if these earphones stay in my ears or not. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Hi, it's me. I'm back again, and these are the LiteXim wireless earbuds, and I'm going to review these for you today, because what happened was on my old video with the M-Power earphones, someone saw them in the world somewhere. I don't know where it was, but they said to me, "Jim, we loved your video about the M-Power earphones and how you went into the lake to test them out. That was some sort of bravery that we've never seen before from anyone else, and now we'd like you to review our product, which is this one." So enough about these ones, but if you do want to see the video where I walked into the lake, it's linked above. So anyway, forget about them, forget about those earphones. We've got the Aeropods made by LiteXim. Let's have a little look what it says on here. Well, the picture looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Look at them. They come in a box which extends the charging time by 12 hours for the battery life. Has high fidelity sound, metal contacts, only 5 grams. That's very light. God, I can't wait to test these out. 500 mAh charging case. So it's a bit like, I suppose, a bit like a version of the Apple EarPods, but obviously probably a better version, to be honest, because I don't really like Apple. Shh, don't tell them that. Anyway, TWS stereo. I don't know what that means. Let me know in the comments if anyone knows what that means. But maybe it's, I don't know. We'll find out. And they have an ergonomic design, which means they fit nicely in the ears of humans in a good way. But anyway, enough of that. It's still sealed, look. Brand new. They sent me a code and I typed it into my Amazon, and it took all the money off of 550 pence. Now they did say they were going to send it for free, but 50 pence for a pair of £40 earphones, because that's how much they wear. Probably about $50. I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link in the description. But anyway, we're going to open them up now and have a quick look. But if you do decide to use my link, that would really help me out, because basically it doesn't cost you any more. But if you buy using the link in the description, I will get a small cut, a little bit. It'll help, and every little helps. Ching ching. Anyway, let's go and do the unboxing right now. Oh, look at these Aerobuds from LiteXim. Ooh. Let's have a quick look, shall we? First of all, we need to get the sharpest of knives to carefully undo the cellophane, because this could be a beautiful product, but we haven't really seen what's inside yet. So let's have a look, shall we? Give it a little shake. Oh, we've got a little lip coming out there. Oh, listen to this. Okay, so let's put this down here. So we get a little black box here, and this looks like the accessories, so we'll try and get into this. Okay, that's empty now, nothing in there. Okay, so we get what looks to be probably the shortest charging lead I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of that. It's probably about not even 6 inches. It's probably about 3.5 inches. But it looks like it's got a mini USB connection there and a USB connection there. But yeah, I mean, you probably just hang about the side of your laptop or something like that. Anyway, so there's loads of extra bits to fit different size ears there. But we'll have a look at them later, because the main event is inside of here. Oh, wait there a minute. Look at this. LiteXim, thank you. And it says, "Dear customer, thanks for your purchase for 50 pence. Hope you have a happy and fun experience with our LiteXim products. Your satisfaction is always our top priority." Anyway, have a look at those. Brilliant, eh? Some instruction booklets. Look at that. Probably about 50 million different languages, so we'll put that over there. It's the main event. Anyway, let's have a look at this thing. How do we open this? Oh, it's got a little button there. Let's press it. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yes, it feels like they are actually magnetic sized in. So look at this. Anyway, let's take them out. Looks like we've got to take these little stickers off, like covering the charging points. They were put there so it doesn't actually charge in transit. Let's see if they've got any charge in them. Hey, I just thought it'd be easy to stand up to show you this bit. Well, these earphones, oh my god, they are super light. They literally feel like I don't even feel like I'm holding anything. That's how light they are. They're super easy to pair. All you have to do is hold them both down at the same time. You hear a little voice in your head saying power on. Then all of a sudden it'll say left connected, right connected. Then it'll say pairing if it hasn't paired already. And then if you've already paired it with your phone, which is super easy as well, it just says connected. Honestly, the best thing about these earphones is that they're so light you don't even realise that they're in your ear. That's how light they are. And as well, what was I going to say about them? Oh yeah, that was it. I'll talk about the music in a minute because I'm going to do some sort of mental dance test where I'm literally going to throw myself around because I've got a song queued up, ready to go on my old phone. This is my S7. I'm actually recording you right now on my P30 Pro, which is my new camera, basically. Let's talk about the music before I go mental. The music is like the sound quality of them is really good. It's kind of like the treble and the bass are all kind of like the same sort of level, goodness. It's not one more powerful than the other, and it goes to a good volume. I'd say I wouldn't say it goes mega loud, but for £40 or $50, these I would say they're very good sound quality inside these little tiny lightweight earphones. So that's a really good point. Now I did actually pause the video and I made a few calls to my family to find out what they were like. Now what I did do is I rang my dad first, and he's an old man, he's 70-year-old, and he said basically that he could hear me, because when I called him, he said I sounded a bit quiet, but he has lost a little bit of his hearing, and I think he's one of those people who refuses to get hearing aids. So, but then what I did do is what you can do. Say if people are struggling to hear, you can pull one out, and you can see a tiny little hole inside of them. I don't know if you can see that. There's a tiny little hole. Anyway, in that tiny little hole, basically you can still hear on this one, and you can kind of like, if you're in a loud environment, you can put it close to your mouth like this and talk. So that's what you can do. So that is a bonus. And I did ring my sister as well just to check it out. And she said I did sound a little bit quiet, maybe, but she definitely said I sounded louder, when I did this. So that was good for the calls. But mainly, I don't think people will be using these for calls, really. I say if you was on a busy train or something, you might want to pull one out and talk like this into it so people can hear you. I wouldn't try doing that while you're driving though. Leave them both in. Anyway, going on to the music. I am going to do a little test now of the music, and we'll be able to hear what it's like, and at the same time we're going to do a test to find out if they're going to find out your ears. So basically I'm going to do a little sing and a dance and see how it goes.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world's turning inside out. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy. So don't stop me, don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Gaga. I'm gonna go.
That was because it wasn't in properly. So I took it out. This one stayed in. Alright.
I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me, yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop it. Yeah, I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars, on a collision course. I have a satellite.
Jesus.
Hey, hey, hey! I like it. Have a good time, good time.
Jesus Christ, man. So, whew, you did see I went a little bit mental there. Got a bit of a dab on there. Whew. Anyway, they don't actually fall out your ears because I did a preview of that. It didn't fall out. It's only because I took that one out and started showing you. I didn't put it back in properly. But yeah, it did. It did fly out and hit the wardrobe, but the it's still not damaged. So there you go, quite sturdy as well. But yeah, for 50 pence, it's a bargain. But if you do have to pay £40 for them, I'd say as well, God, don't catch your breath back. Ooh, so. I'm just holding my mic now because it's easier. Yeah, so yeah, I would say if you are going to pay £40 for them or $50, make sure you use my affiliate link down below. I'd say they're definitely worth the money. Super light. That's what the title is going to be for the video. The world's lightest earbuds, because that's pretty much what they are. But yeah, thank you very much again, LiteXim, for giving them to me for a very, very cheap price of 50 pence. And don't forget to leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and because I'm always bringing out amazing, sweating, mega crazy dance videos every day. And well, not maybe every day, maybe every other day. But yeah, I'm holding the mic with this hand, so unfortunately I'm going to have to just do my little outro, which goes a bit like this. Remember, stay 100% real. Stay 100% Jim. See you later. Hey, just another quick one. What I forgot to mention is these earphones will be replacing my current earphones as my daily drivers, and that isn't a pun. That's what the phone people say, but these actually are drivers because that's what they're called. The actual speakers are called drivers in earphones, so yeah, I can actually say that, unlike the phone people. But that's my little mental gripe I have with myself and like the popular massive YouTubers who just said, oh, this phone is my new daily driver. What the hell? The phone does not pick you up and take you in a taxi and take you to your event. It's a phone. I can say daily drivers with these, okay? That's my little rant over. Okay, I'm happy now. Anyway, yeah, they will be replacing my earphones. One thing I did forget to mention is that they are very discreet as well as extremely light. I do like them. So yeah. See you later for real now. Have a wonderful rest of your life. Don't forget to check out my other videos that should be on the screen right now. And if you haven't subscribed, why have you come this far without subscribing or liking or commenting? Do it. Do it right now. What are you waiting for? Thanks. See you later.